In this video, I will tell you what to do if a water bottle for rodents is leaking. We have a decorative rabbit. It had a large water bottle for rodents. It is fixed to such a clamp, and recently it started to drip and holds water. You can see that droplets are appearing. Water drips down and then accumulates, and I have to clean up frequently around the rabbit, and an unpleasant smell appears. It is necessary to solve this problem to avoid buying a new water bottle. Now we will remove the water bottle, and I will show you what to do to prevent it from leaking. You can see that droplets are appearing from the water bottle. It does not hold water, which is very unpleasant, and I don't want to buy a new one. About 1 drop falls every 5 or 10 seconds. But that's still a lot. To repair the water bottle, it is necessary to unscrew its upper part and check the condition of the internal ball and the seat of this ball. On my water bottle, you can see that there are spots of corrosion on the ball, and that's bad. We will also check the condition of this part where the ball sits. If there are also pieces of rust or limescale from the water, it is necessary to take a knife and carefully clean this ball seat valve so that it fits tightly in its place. Here I have a little bit of dirt. It appears due to the hardness of the water. This is calcium that precipitates from its constant use. Then, it is necessary to get to the balls. For this, we will take pliers and very carefully remove this tube from its seat in the cap. Gently twisting, we pull it out here. Inside, there are 2 balls left. Now, we can check them. As you can see, there are signs of corrosion on the balls. The outer protective coating is already damaged, and they are unusable. They can be cleaned, or you can find ones of the same diameter from a ball bearing. We measure the diameter of the ball using a caliper. In my case, the diameter of the ball is 6 millimeters. It is necessary to find the same one. I have a collection of balls from bearings here. I don't throw them away. Let's try to find the exact same one. Unfortunately, I don't have that ball in my collection. Therefore, we will polish these balls well using universal Go-I paste for polishing. We apply it to a soft cloth and start. Polish the balls all around. Here is the ball fully polished, with no dirt or corrosion left on it. You can place it in its spot and check how the drinking device works. I have 2 balls. One is very prone to corrosion, while the other is almost not prone to it and is well cleaned. Therefore, we first insert the most beautiful, smooth ball into the tube, and then the second one, which serves simply as a weight to provide good pressure for this ball. Thus, we now put this tube onto the main lid of the drinking device. Insert it all the way. And you can check how the drinking device works. After such cleaning, the drinking device stopped leaking. Drops do not appear even when the device is full. And it will be dry in our pet's cage. Now we can place the drinking device so that our pet can drink, as it has been, without water for a long time. Let's check how it works in one go. The rabbit likes the drinking device, and he happily drinks water from it after eating hay.